This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
You see Hoover Street here. Officials say it's one of the most dangerous streets in all of Los Angeles. And now... Holy...
Okay. And the first thing he said was, God, I wish you'd been with me. And in his and my relationship, natural for him to say, because I wish I'd been with him too.
Bro, this guy, no mames. Look, he's going 57, 56. Of course I'm so close. I went over to the left lane to pass him, right? And the nose of his trailer, of his truck, was probably like halfway into my trailer when he starts speeding up. Look, right now he's going 58, 59. I'm sorry, white car. Watch this mother start speeding up. I'm going 65. I could only go 65. And now he's matching my speed. Now he's going faster. Piece of shit.
Exactly right. He's very methodical in looking at the preparatory work. He goes through the idea of firstly identifying people by reference to their affiliation to a particular group, then restrictions on education, restrictions on the use of language, restrictions on housing, then they've got to live in a particular place, then they can't do certain jobs, then they've got to be gathered together in certain places.
I know. I got hit. My car is oh no. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh dear God. There goes that oh shit. My car's gone.
And explaining cats lived outdoors for 10,000 years. It's never going to stop. But I went to the store and I bought you some Gorilla Glass and this car cover. I use it every time you park.
Shit,
It's just
what
a
was
lot.
that? That was a car that just crashed right by us.
Oh my God. This is compassionate,
Yes.
arguably communitarian behavior from the cat hours.
Oh my.
And that's being neighborly.
We also had another Rose situation.
Maybe.
But it's crazy. Like, he had one hand on the... What the fuck? Oh my God!
What happened, babe?
Oh my God, what did he do? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
Oh, shit. I don't know.
Babe.
I got into an accident. Oh my God. Oh my God,
Where are
babe.
you?
I'm on the Bell Parkway. This guy just reversed into me. What the hell is going on?
Reversed into you?
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, fuck, I'm shaking.
Oh my God. Babe.
Yeah.
Just stay there. Oh my God.
Fuck, oh my God.
Where on the Bell Parkway?
Oh, holy shit. You know, after that turn?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh my
Babe,
God.
it's okay.
Alright, hold on.
Just
Hold on, okay? Fuck. What happened?
Hey girl, what's up, yo? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Halfway, right up the borderline is where I'm going away. For you, I'll be looking out night and day. Put my heart to the limit, and this is where I'll stay. I can't go any further than this. I want you so bad, it's my only wish. I'll follow you deep sea, baby. I'll follow you. Video protected. Video protected.
Anybody behind us? Alright. Can I call 911? Yes,
right away.
You gotta get it because my camera's broken.
Jacob, they're gonna crash into each other.
Here, I'll call the cops. Don't worry, get his plate. Can you get his plate number?
It's not gonna know where we are.
They'll get my location.
Oh, they hit each other. They just hit each other.
Pull over.
They're hitting each other.
Hey, there's these two cars that just hit each other right now.
They're road raging.
They're road raging. They just hit. The white Nissan just hit.
Fuck is wrong with you? She got a gun. She got a gun. Get in the car. She got a gun. She got a gun. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. She got a gun. I have my kid. Give him my number. I have a video.
Could you tell me where you're at? I'm showing you at White Collar.
What?
Supposed to turn. Was he gonna pull over me? That guy? Yes. God, bro. Yes! Yes!
setup. Dude, and I just like, what the f, man? Why is it? Dude, it scared the shit out of me because I just got into one last time. Yes!
He's doing it. Oh my god, he's doing it. He's doing it. Oh my gosh. He actually did it. Ooh.
Wow. Cześć, takiego. Ciao, bastardia, ta.